Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake creamy easy guide. Start by chilling the blender jar and using full-fat ice cream for body. Add a splash of whole milk to loosen while keeping thickness. Use a tablespoon of corn syrup or sugar to smooth the texture and prevent ice crystals. Pulse briefly rather than blending continuously to keep air low and creaminess high for the perfect milkshake. To boost flavor and texture, start with premium ice cream and a modest bit of whole milk to control thickness. Add extracts like vanilla or cocoa powder for concentrated taste without extra liquid. Mix-ins such as chocolate chips or cookie pieces should be folded in at the end to preserve chew and density. Use short pulses instead of continuous blending to keep the milkshake dense, creamy, and indulgent for every sip. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers and playing upbeat tunes while you blend, and it fits nicely on any counter. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Try advanced tricks for next-level creaminess. Chill glasses in the freezer to maintain cold temperature while sipping. Substitute part of the ice cream with frozen banana for a dairy-light yet thick base. Blend in 1/4 cup of mascarpone or cream cheese to add richness and stability without watering down the shake. Finish with a quick whisk of chilled heavy cream for a silky top layer before serving to impress guests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.